Hello, and welcome back to our United Certifications, podcast, we can call it. Why not? About testing fundamentals for software engineers. This will be an interesting one because we're actually going to focus a little bit more on the trainings that are starting to be announced around the world. So, we've had in the past, if you've watched some of our other videos, that we've mentioned some languages that is possible, currently English and Dutch, as we're getting more and more interest in providers there in the Netherlands and beyond. But now also we're getting a lot of requests for the Spanish language, Brazilian Portuguese, French, and even maybe Arabic, and who knows what's coming next. In general, how is the course run, or what materials are available for training providers who might want to offer the course locally to their customers and participants?
Well, of course, if you're a training provider, you have access to the syllabus with the sample exam. There's also an additional mock exam which you can use in the training. And of course, you have the slide deck with the explanation of all the exercises. The exercises are in the slide deck, so you don't have to print all these extra papers. There's just one slide deck which contains all the exercises. The handouts you can prepare as well from the slide deck. And that's basically it, Carl.
Cool. So it's great you mentioned actually the full slide deck. So there's basically two options. So Brightest is the global administration body for the United portfolio. If anyone out there is interested in becoming a training provider, what you would need is a trainer who has some experience in training, preferably software testing training. They also need to have passed the exam. So that can be done as part of the process. Quite often we'll run at a very special rate for any future trainers. Also, you would need to say that you either have a course that you've created based on the syllabus that covers all topics, or you can license the official materials that were created by authors like Mattijs in the call today. And those can be licensed at a price, and you just use it, pay as you use them for anywhere in the world. And we're going to see. Right now we have English and Dutch. What other languages we'll have very soon. So if there's a request that you have a different language, also we're going to look for master trainers who will translate and support that as well. There's definitely information that can be given there. Please never hesitate to reach out if you have any questions to become a training provider. What would you recommend? Who is a good person to be a trainer, Mattijs, as a trainer for this and one of the creators? Who would be the ideal trainer for this course?
Well, a trainer has to have some experience in software testing. I think about 5 years. If you pass the exam, and also if you feel unsure or you need more information, we can have a one-on-one trainer session.
Cool. Thank you so much. And if anyone has any more questions or is interested and wants to become recognized to offer this course, you can always reach out to us at info@brightest.org, or you can check out some more information that's available on the united-certifications.org website. Thank you so much for joining again, Mattijs. Always great to see you.
Cal. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.